Hi guys! Our topic for today is trial balance. Ano nga ba ang trial balance? Trial balance is the list of closing balances of the ledger accounts on a certain date and is the first step toward the preparation of financial statements. Okay, so trial balance means ito yung mga listahan ng mga accounts na galing sa ledger. Kumbaga siya yung summary. So, ililipat mo lang yung mga accounts na yan from the ledger to the trial balance along with their ending balances or total balances. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung ledger format ko here is different from my previous video. But I'm just giving you another example ng itsura ng ledger. Pero kung mapapansin nyo, it's the same. Andito ang date. And then, kung naka-debit doon, naka-debit din dito. And then, kung naka-credit doon, naka-credit din siya dito. And then, ito, hinighlight ko din yung pinaka-total niya, which is the same as the previous one. Same din naman yan. Alright. Pagdating naman sa trial balance, ang unang nakalagay sa first line is the company's name. And then, kung ano yung ginagawa mo, which is the trial balance. And then, for what month, anong ang ended ang ginagawa mo. So, this time, ang ginagawa natin is the August 31, 2019. Then, at least give 2 spaces. And then, account titles here. And then, debit. And then, credit naman sa third column. So, the goal here is, yung total debit mo should be equal with the total credit. So, kahit papano kasi, mache-check yan, kung balanse ang debit mo at credit mo, kahit papano, mache-check na tama yung ginawa mong ledger at journal entry. Also, the trial balance is the first step in preparing your financial statements. Pag gagawa ka na ng income statement, ng SOSE, statement of changes in equity, and so on and so forth. Ang pagkakasunod-sunod niya, unahin muna natin ang mga assets. The next are the liabilities, and then the equity or the capital, and then the drawings or the withdrawals. Kung mapapansin nyo, ito yung mga elements sa balance sheet. And then after that, yung elements naman ng income statements, which are the revenues and then the expenses. Yan yung pagkakasunod-sunod niya. Okay, lagay natin siya dito sa part na to as our reference. Alright. So, i-transfer na daw natin lahat ng account names and their corresponding balances from the ledger to the trial balance. So, lahat ng assets muna. So, the first asset is the cash. Ayan. Lipat natin. The next is the office supplies. Nililipat ko lang po. The next is si prepaid insurance. Then, si service vehicle. Then, si computer equipment. Right. Pagdating kay computer equipment, stop na tayo kasi ang sunod na ay accounts payable, which are the liabilities. Tapusin lang muna natin ang mga assets. Okay. Kung ang normal balance ng mga assets ay debit, dapat sa debit mo rin ilalagay yung mga accounts nila. Also, naka-indicate naman din dito. Ayan, ang kanyang 1,358,400 na balance ay naka-debit. So, just transfer that. 1,358,400. And then, the debit balance naman ni office supplies is 2,500. And then, the debit supply of, the debit account of prepaid insurance is 12,000. And then, the debit account debit balance of service vehicle is 600,000. And for computer naman, ang debit balance niya is 10,000. Ayan, tapos na natin lahat ng assets. Now, we're going to proceed with all the liabilities. Okay, there are only two liabilities here, which are the accounts payable and then the notes payable. So, let's just copy that. Accounts payable and then notes payable. Then, for liabilities, alam natin na ang normal balance niyan ay credit. So, let's just transfer the account balances to the credit. So, kung mapapansin nyo rin naman dito, yung pinaka-ending balance niya ay nasa credit. So, 2,500 for the accounts payable and then 389,000 naman for the notes payable. Alright. Now, ang sunod naman is the equity. So, iisa lang kasi yung equity natin. So, equity or the capital, paki-transfer lang yan. O yan, Chimi capital. Then, credit ang normal balance niya. So, dito natin ilalagay, credit, 1,500,000. Then, next naman daw is the drawings or the withdrawals. Okay, sorry, paltan lang natin to ng Chimi. Right. So, let's just transfer that, withdrawals. And then the normal balance of withdrawals is on the debit side. Let's just transfer the account balance. 5,000. Tapos na natin lahat ng nasa balance sheet. Now, let's proceed with the revenues. For the revenues, iisa lang naman ang revenue natin so far, which is the service revenue. Service revenue is on the credit side naman. So, in here, naka-credit din naman siya. Let's just transfer 138,000. Then, let's proceed with all the expenses. Let's just copy all the expenses first. Utilities expense. And then, ang sunod natin si charitable contribution expense. Then, rent expense. And lastly, salaries expense. Okay? Now, si expenses naman, ang normal balance niyan ay debit. So, ilalagay naman natin siya sa debit. So, first, utilities expense, which is 1,600. And then, charitable contribution expense, which is 10,000. And then, rent expense, which is 15,000. And lastly, si salaries expense, which is 12,000. Okay, burahin na natin to ha, kasi we're done with that. So, ang goal natin is mabalance si debit kay credit. Okay, pwede na natin galawin to. So, i-total na natin siya. Total. Sige, tingnan natin. Alright. And then for this, okay, balanse tayo. So, yan. Si 2,26,500 na debit ay equal kay credit na 2,26,500. So, once na balance mo na yan, that means tama yung ginawa mo. So, that would be all.